Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Good morning friends, after a long back we are again starting the classes. Already before classes I explained you about big friend, small friend, direct method and combination. Then after I started a single, double, half, and I given some examples of multiplication. Okay, so again we are starting again in new process. Today I explained again, once again I am going to explain you about this tool. This is an abacus tool which is frame of wooden stick, and you can see some rods here. Okay, there are different types of rod tools are available in market. This is 13 rod tool. You can see on a tool up one bit and down 4 bits are there, and in middle this is the stick. The bit which is touched to this stick, that is the answer, and already I explained. And for the 5 years, 6, 7 years children on a hand, how they can use their hand if they don't have tool. So I'll explain that also today. If example you have to catch like this is your left hand, this is right hand. On left hand you think 1, 2, 9, and on right hand you think 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, so on two hands you have now numbers from 0 to 99 numbers. You can frame on your hand. Example I will show. This finger you think as 1, 2, 3. You can catch like this 3, or this is a 4. This finger you think as a 5. So 5 and 1, 6, 5 and 2, 7, 5 and 3, 8, 5 and 4, 9. And when you close all the fingers and thumb, it is equal to 0. Same like that, on this hand, this is 50. If you catch this, 60, 70, 80, 90. And you need 10, this is 10. If you need 20, you can pull up 2 fingers, 30, 3, 40, 4 fingers. Okay, on right hand you take 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 10, 20, 30, 40. And on left hand you take 1 to 9. Okay, if my now 2 hands are closed, this is equal to 0. If I am pulling 3 here and 3 here, you have to think this is the 30 and this is the 3. So this is equal to 33. Okay, so for small children and the person who have no tool at home, they can use by their hand and apply the formula on the fingers, and you can add and subtract. Okay. Now I am starting a class, right? We will use some example here. You can see small numbers I took to understand yourself. This is 4. So on unit is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 bit. Again you can see minus 4. It means you have to minus 4. Right? Plus 2. Then you will 2. You add 2. So now you can see on this state 2 bit are touched. So the answer is 2. So these are the problems you can see on the board. This you have to solve it. Again for you this, and again once again I will show you big friend, small friend, and combination and direct formulas I will write, and I will show you friends numbers also. So you can see that, and you have to practice at home. Now I will show you on a finger how you can add or subtract. Example, I am taking this number 64. So on right hand 60 and on left hand 4. This is 64. saying to add 5. So you on left hand only you have thumb that you have to open, that is equal to 5. So now you can see your answer is a 69. 69. And he is saying to minus 2. So you will minus 2 on left hand. Now you can see your answer. Here 5 and 1, 2, 7. 50 and 10 means 60. So now your answer is 60. Now this problem you can see here 5. So you take left hand 5, then 2, 1 to 7, minus 2. Again you have to down 2 figures. It is 5. So you can see. I will show some problems by standing to you. Now see. I am taking this problem. You can see this problem. Your number is 16, then 2. Then minus 3. I am taking 16. How I can take 16? On two hands I told, on right hand 10 and on left hand 6. 5, 1, 6. 16. Now 16 you have to add 2. So 1, 2. Added 2. Now your answer is how much? 8, 1, 18. 18. Now subtract minus 3. So I will down 3 fingers on left. Now you can see my answer. On right hand 1, this is equal to 10, and on left hand thumb is equal to 5. So this is answer is 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. Understood? And now I will show some problems on tool. Example I am taking test number 33. 3 on unit rod, 3 on tens rod. This is equal to 33. Now you can see 5. So add 5. Now its answer is 38. Is equal to minus 2. Down 2 bit. Now you can see 3 on tens rod and on units rod 6. This is equal to 36. Okay. So these are the examples. You practice at home. Now I am once again showing you all the formulas. Now I am showing to you all the formulas. Once again you can see plus minus symbol I am taking. On in plus direct what you will do? Big, small combination. And direct you know we will add up in big, then up and down in small, far down, front down in combination. This is the combination of big and small, that is equal to combination. In combination, so pen up, fire, front up. In minus, it is equal to opposite to formula plus. Here it is up, then there it is down. Here 10 up, front down. Here you will do 10 down, front up, fire, front up, 10 down, 5 down, front down. These are the formulas. Now I am writing here small front formulas 1, 2, 3, 4. 1's front is 4, 2's front is 3, 3's front is 2, 4's front is 1. In big front we take 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here I am writing 8, 9. 1's front 9, 2's 8, 3's 7, 4's 6, 5's 5, 6's 4, 7's 3, 8's 2, 9, 1. These are the big front for friends. Now I am doing combination. Combination numbers, only these numbers will make combination. So 6th friend is 1, 7th friend is 2, 8th friend is 3, 9th friend is 4. So you can see I wrote here friend. So this is the friend that we have to up and term. So these are the formulas for the additions, and daily I will give some problems to you. You practice at your home and become perfect and be like a calculator. Good. Bye bye.